Isa ka rin bang aspiring virtual assistant? Nag-send ng maraming resume or portfolio pero walang nare-receive na response? You might be making these mistakes. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid when applying for virtual assistant jobs. Number 1, generic application. This is why in the past videos, I keep on telling you guys to customize your portfolio based on clients' needs. Number 2, no portfolio. Always make sure to showcase your skills with examples. Number 3, over-promising. Always be honest with your capabilities para hindi sila mag-e-expect. Number 4, weak introduction. Remember to always use a clear, compelling subject line and intro in your email. Instead of using your name, then applicant, and then the position you are applying for, you can use your name dash I am the best virtual assistant in town. So that will surely make your application stand out among other applicants. Lastly, poor follow-up. A polite follow-up can make a